In this video, I'll show you how to use Superscript and Subscript in Google Docs. Superscript and Subscript are useful when you need to format things like math formulas, footnote numbers, chemical formulas, dates, or trademarks. In Google Docs on a computer, both options are built in. And Google's keyboard shortcuts page confirms that Superscript uses Ctrl+, and Subscript uses Ctrl+, Let's start with the menu method because it's the easiest for most people. Open your Google Docs document and type your text first. Then highlight the character, number, or word you want to change. After that, go to the top menu, click Format, then Text, and choose either Superscript or Subscript. Google Docs help community guidance points to that exact menu path for applying Subscript, and the same formatting feature is available for Superscript as well. Here's a quick example. If you want to type H2O correctly, type the whole word first, then highlight the number 2, go to Format, then Text, and choose Subscript. If you want something like x squared, type x and 2, highlight the 2, and choose Superscript. That will move the selected character slightly above or below the normal text line. This is the standard formatting behavior supported in Google Docs. Now let's look at the faster method using keyboard shortcuts. On a computer, Google's official shortcuts page says you can press Ctrl+, for Superscript and Ctrl+, for Subscript. This is helpful if you do this often and want to save time without going into the menu every time. If you're using Google Docs on Android with a physical keyboard, Google's Android shortcuts page shows the same shortcuts there too. Ctrl+, for Superscript and Ctrl+, for Subscript. Another useful thing to know is how to go back to normal text after using Superscript or Subscript. Google Docs community guidance says you can clear the formatting by placing your cursor after the formatted character and using clear formatting, which is Ctrl+/ on Windows or Command+/ on Mac. That returns the text to normal formatting. If you are working with formulas, there is also a separate equation tool in Google Docs. Google's official help says you can go to Insert, then Equation, and add math symbols there. That can be useful when you need more advanced notation beyond simple superscript or subscript. So the simple process is this. Type your text, highlight the part you want to change, then go to Format, Text, and choose Superscript or Subscript. Or, to do it faster, use Ctrl+, for Superscript and Ctrl+, for Subscript. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.